Hello, this is Pintun from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. Life comes to a halt in Koraput district due to dawn to dusk bandh called by members of Jan Suraksha Manch protesting the Kandhamal firing that claimed 5 innocent lives. BJD activists stop Chhattisgarh-bound goods trains in Odisha and stays hunger strike in front of CWC office in Bhubaneswar, protesting construction of projects on Mahanadi in Chhattisgarh. Odisha State Pollution Control Board serves closure notices on 10 hotels operating in Baleshwar, Bhadrak and Mayurbhanj district following a stricture of the National Green Tribunal. Congress moves motion against Vice Chairperson of Dhenkanal Municipality after lodging a written complaint against her with Collector. And turn in the career of 11-year-old footballer Chandan Naik of Sabar Sai Islam in Bhubaneswar, who has been selected to train at Bayern Munich as an academy player. Now the details. Normal life in Koraput district came to a grinding halt on Wednesday as members of the Jan Suraksha Manch called for a dawn to dusk bandh to protest the Kandhamal firing, which claimed the lives of 5 innocent villagers, including a 15-month-old baby, on July 8. Members of the Manch blocked roads at Simliguda, Patangi and Sunki areas, bringing vehicular movement to a grinding halt in the district. The agitating members were seen picketing at many places by burning tires on the roads. However, emergency services and educational institutions were spared from the purview of the shutdown. According to sources, all private buses plying in the city have stayed off roads today in view of the bandh. Security arrangements have been beefed up in the district to avoid any untoward incident. Activists of the BJD, which has decided to stay away from the all-party meet convened by Leader of Opposition Narasingh Mishra on Wednesday to discuss the projects being constructed by Chhattisgarh in the upstream of Mahanadi, stopped all goods trains to Chhattisgarh at various stations of the state and staged a hunger strike in front of the local office of the Central Water Commission in Bhubaneswar. Party workers blocked the rail tracks and demonstrated in front of the trains at Barampur, Raja Athagarh, Sambalpur, Balangir, Raurkela and Jharsuguda stations. The 3 MLAs of Bhubaneswar, Minister Sanjay Das Burma, other ministers and leaders took part in the protest near the CWC office here at Bhubaneswar against the central body's backdoor clearance to the Kelo project undertaken by the Chhattisgarh in the upper catchment of the river. The regional party on Monday had announced rail blockade and demonstration at CWC, saying that it can follow the route the Chhattisgarh government had adopted. BJP and other opposition parties in Odisha like CPI, CPIM and others will attend the meet. Samajwadi Party, however, has decided to stay away, saying it supports the agitation by the BJD. On the other hand, the BJP on Wednesday came down heavily on the state government over its claim that it was completely in the dark about the Kelo project in Chhattisgarh. Addressing a press meet, Party General Secretary Bhrigu Bakshipatra said the neighbouring state had communicated to Odisha about the construction of the project way back in 2006. 3 documents have been exchanged between 2 states over the same project. Acting on the directive of the National Green Tribunal, the Odisha State Pollution Control Board has served closure notices on 10 hotels operating in Baleshwar, Bhadrak and Mayurbhanj. According to sources, the Baleshwar office of OSPCB has served notices to the 10 hotels for running their business without necessary approval of the Pollution Control Board. Prakash Kumar Mahapatra, regional officer of OSPCB, said the hotels have neither taken our consent nor are they applying for it. Following the directive of the NGT, we have served closure notices on them. Meanwhile, the hotel owners have termed the closure notices of OSPCB as unlawful. A day after winning the no-trust motion against Dhenkanal Municipality Chairman Indramani Behera, the Congress on Tuesday initiated a move to oust Vice Chairperson Namita Behera of BJP, who is supposed to function as the interim head of the council till a new chairperson is elected. Buoyed by the victory in the no confidence motion, as many as 10 councillors brought a motion against the vice chairperson, after lodging a written complaint against her with the collector. Indramani Behera was defeated in the Congress-sponsored no confidence motion yesterday after 4 members of BJD voted in favor of the motion despite a party whip. The BJP too supported the Congress. In the 23-member municipality, the BJD had just 6 ward members. The Congress had the majority with 11 members, followed by BJP's 5. Dhenkanal collector Rupa Roshan Sahu had said Vice Chairperson Namita Behera will function as interim head. It's the kind of stuff, fairy tales made of Chandan Naik, an 11-year-old football player of the Sabarsai slum in the city, has been selected to train at Bayern Munich, the iconic football club in Germany, as an academy player. Interestingly, Chandan is unaware that the club that he is going to play for is the second most sought-after football club of Europe that boasts of world-famous players like Andries Moller, Arjen Robben, Frank-Henry Pierre-Ribéry and Jerome Angim Boateng. Bayern Munich has won the DFB Pokal Cup and also emerged champion in Bundesliga Germany competition. A great fan of Lionel Messi, Chandan loves the number 10 Argentinian jersey made famous by the Barcelona superstar. A master in passing and dribbling, Chandan aims to bring accolades for the state. His coach Joydev Mahapatra is on cloud 9 after this stupendous achievement by his ward. It's a matter of pride that Chandan has been selected to play for Bayern Munich. He was the youngest, only 11-year-old among others who had come to the All India level competition. Coming from a poor background, his journey to abroad is really a proud moment for the state, Mahapatra said. All fellow players, masters and seniors have celebrated the achievement of the boy wonder, while Chandan's mother Duhita Naik, who raised him by working as a maid servant, believes it's her prayers that have taken her son where he has reached today.
बाजा चैलेंज स्टेडियम रे ट्रायल होता मुझे ट्रायल देगी जाइली पुणे पुणे पुणी ट्रायल पाई जाऊँ मु जर्मनी रू जी से जमी सिलेक्ट होगी आम ओडिशार ना रखिक आसबि.
Before wrapping up, the news headlines once again. Life comes to a halt in Koraput district due to dawn to dusk bandh called by members of Jan Suraksha Manch protesting the Kandhamal firing that claimed 5 innocent lives. BJD activists stop Chhattisgarh-bound goods trains in Odisha and stays hunger strike in front of CWC office in Bhubaneswar, protesting construction of projects on Mahanadi in Chhattisgarh. Odisha State Pollution Control Board serves closure notices on 10 hotels operating in Baleshwar, Bhadrak and Mayurbhanj district following a stricture of the National Green Tribunal. Congress moves motion against Vice Chairperson of Dhenkanal Municipality after lodging a written complaint against her with collector. And turn in the career of 11-year-old footballer Chandan Naik of Sabarsai slum in Bhubaneswar, who has been selected to train at Bayern Munich as an academy player. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.